Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to easily become an Odoo developer in 2026. The demand for Odoo experts is higher than ever, and getting started is straightforward if you follow the right path. To begin, you need a solid foundation in Python. Odoo is built heavily on Python, so mastering its core concepts is your top priority before touching anything else. Next, dive straight into the Odoo framework. Spend time reading the official 2026 documentation to understand how its modular structure operates. This will teach you how the backend logic connects together. You will also need to learn XML and JavaScript. While Python handles the heavy lifting, XML and JavaScript are absolutely required for customizing user interfaces and building interactive front-end features. To gain real experience, set up a local Odoo development environment on your computer. Start experimenting by building and modifying your own modules, working on small practical projects, or contributing to open source Odoo applications is the fastest way to build your portfolio and prove your skills. Finally, engage with the ecosystem. Join the official Odoo community forums to connect with other developers. Networking here will give you valuable insights and help you solve complex bugs much faster. Stay consistent with your learning, and you will be ready for a career in Odoo development. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more tutorials.